my goddamn house making cookies. You got nothing to say?
Okay, I know you were trying to prank me.
Prank hell! I want to make cookies! Christmas cookies! No! You ain't even got the balls to show up at my house to do it!
Because you're gonna prank me. You have some bullshit planned. I know here you are. Tuesday. Gotta come over Tuesday.
No! Goddamn Tuesday, I come over. What are you doing? You playing your games?
I'm working right now.
You guys work! What is this shit in with all this shit on this goddamn?
You wanna bake the cookies or...
I wanna make the goddamn cookies, but I don't wanna make them right now! I came for a purpose!
Bye. See
what
you.
did I tell you I was gonna do?
Get out the fucking house, dude!
Then screw you and screw you!
I told you we should have done the Christmas cookies. Should have just done the fucking cookies. Whatever he was gonna prank me with, salt, whatever. Should have just done it.
Yeah, I'll show him. So you got the PS4 more important than my goddamn cookies, huh?
Hey!
Stop that!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
How about that, bitch? How about that, huh?
Dude, get out!
Ah, damn you! Get out there! How about that, huh? How about that? How about that for your PlayStation 4? There it is! How about...
Dude!
Your PlayStation 4, yeah? I'll have you play it! Let me see! Oh, pick up the goddamn thing! Now, you want baked cookies or not? Huh?
Michael, call the cops!
Yeah, you call the cops! Call the cops! Call the goddamn cops! Son of a bitch!
Where's my phone?
Michael, seriously?
Get your phone out of here!
Get out!
You gotta go, dude. You just
Yeah.
gotta go.
How about that, huh? Hey, Mike, let's play a game. There's your goddamn table!
Dude, get out! Michael?
Next time I need to do something, you're done! When you gonna make cookies? When you gonna make cookies? I'll do your TV next!
Saturday.
You better be glad you said Saturday. Hey, I have to come back.
Stop.
Tell your TV goodbye. Oh. Come on, Mr. Avenger. Another one.
Wow. You gotta do something about him, dude. I think we should get him committed, I'm serious.